Hello, I'm Tu Chan. I'm the hypnotist. Today I'll be guiding you through an hypnotic beach walk. All that's needed from you is your imagination, your intention, and for you to follow my instructions. And before I take you into hypnosis, I just want to demonstrate exactly what I want to happen. I would like for you to extend both arms out in front of you, with the palms about 6 inches apart. And I want for you to focus in between the gap in your hands. Because in a minute, your hands will come closer and closer like magnets. And when your hands touch, I would like for your eyes to close and drift your hands all the way back down onto your lap. So when you're ready, find yourself a comfortable seat, sitting in a chair with both feet flat on the ground, sitting up straight. We'll take a deep breath in and a slow, steady breath out. Now extend both arms out in front of you, palms facing each other, with a 6-inch gap in between your palms. I would like for you to set your intention here now and really focus in between that gap and set the intention of releasing the fear, releasing the anxiety, and focus in between that gap. Because in a minute, your hands will touch. Just like magnets. The harder you focus, the closer your hands are coming. And the closer your hands are drawing together, the stronger that force is going to be. And it's getting closer and closer and closer. And when they touch, just allow your eyes to close, sleep, drift your hand all the way back down. And as you sit there with your eyes closed, it's so much easier for you just to relax now and listen to my voice. There's nothing for you to do, nowhere for you to go. No one expects anything from you. Noticing the coolness of the air with each breath in. Noticing the warmth of the air with each breath out. Comfort of your chair. The sensations all around you. And with your eyes closed, it's so much easier to notice things which you may have not noticed before, like the sounds of my voice, the colors in your mind's eye, the thoughts, images, even the chatter at the back of the mind. Let it go and do its chatter. And as you sit there, so much easier just to let go. And with each breath you take, and just allow yourself to go deep, deep within. 10 times, 20 times, 30 times deeper. 40 times, 50 times, 60 times deeper. 70 times, 80 times, 90 times deeper. Go deep, deep within. Now see in your mind's eye, you're walking along a sandy beach. Your feet are bare in the sand. And this beach represents your unconscious mind. It understands everything about you. It understands what makes it difficult for you to move forwards. And as you walk along the beach, allow yourself to let go of those unwanted things deep within. Allow them to come up through and be freed. As you walk, each step you take, the unnecessary anxiety surfaces and releases. As you feel the warm sand underneath your feet, so comfortable, so soft. And as you walk, you let go with each footprint you make. With each breath in, you inhale the power of choice. The choice of whether you want to stick with the negative thought or flow with the positive thought. With each breath out, you let go of those stuck old feelings. You're cleansing the beach with each breath you take. Notice how easy it is for you to walk across the beach through the sand. Notice you are now happy and positive. Those old stuck feelings have left your body, left your mind. From today, each time you have a negative thought, you will replace it with positive thoughts. You'll be most calm, most relaxed, knowing that things will turn out how they should be. You're calm, you're happy, you're relaxed. You're a good person who cares for themselves and for others. Whenever you feel those anxious feelings, you will relax. You will relax deeply and let go, following along with your breath. You are strong. You are calm in all situations. And feel yourself just drifting and floating as you hear my voice. As you drift further into a nice, calm state of mind. And you deserve this. All the weight and tension slides away from your body. Your emotions become clear and defined. You know how to feel your emotions. You know how to move through them. And just allow all the anxieties and stress to melt away. And you are so relaxed now, so beautiful. You are amazing. And the world deserves what you have to say. You now have the confidence to live your life how you want it to be. The anxiety and stress has left your body and mind. Gone. In a minute, I'm going to count to 5 and take you out of hypnosis. So when you're ready, 1, feel your feet firmly on the ground. 2, take a deep breath in. 3, send the breath all the way down to the belly, the lungs, filling up the chest. 2, send that breath and let it whiz all the way round inside the body. And 1, slowly blink your eyes open as you're back in the room. So whenever you feel those anxious feelings, the more you will relax. Whenever you have a negative thought, you will replace it with a positive thought. And from today, you are confident and calm, and there is nothing holding you back. And have an amazing day.